In primetime news this evening, votes for sale?
A leader of the Rise team was there, offering and giving and issuing envelopes containing $10,000.
One PNP blasts Rise United for allegedly using money to sway delegates. Police detain husband of slain Bishop Gibson High School teacher and embattled the CMU president to resume duties in the coming days.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Yes, Janella. And if you're a motorist who usually compare gas prices, you will soon have another option to add to the list. That's because a new gas station is expected to be opened this month. Which company and where? Details in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jermaine with the very latest in sports. Jermaine.
Well, thank you, Herman. Well, it would seem the JFF, they've paid over some of the monies to the reggae girls. However, the girls are saying, show us the rest of the money. We have this and lots more. A bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's question, what are your thoughts about the campaign leading up to the PNP presidential race on Saturday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
Primetime news headlines.